Tech support call. Customer. Hello, my computer won't turn on. The screen is completely black. Can you help me? Tech support. Of course. First, is your computer plugged into a power source? Customer. Yes, at Island. But nothing happens when I press the power button. Tech support. Alright. Can you try holding down the power button for 10 seconds? Then release and press it again? Customer. Okay, I tried it. Now I see a light, but the screen is still black. Tech support. Good. That means it's getting power. Do you hear any sound like the fan starting? Customer. Yes. I hear a fan noise. Tech support. Perfect. Sometimes the display cable gets loose. Can you check if the monitor cable is firmly connected? Customer. Oh, it was loose. I reconnected it, and now the screen works. Tech support. Great, your computer is starting up now. Customer. Thank you so much. I was so worried. Tech support. My pleasure. If you have any other issues, just call us again.